Okay, first we need to go to the search and type Google Doc. You have to log in to your email. From the left side you will find Sheets and click to tab Start New Spreadsheets and get option to create a new table. In the top tab there are tools we work with. First, borders. We will make one column of 50 sales and click all boards. Now we will make right there. Now we can color first column orange and you can select all and go to center. Now we can start to fill sales. Now when you're done that, we can color 3 rows, balance, lots and leverage, uh, profit, and loss. First is balance, your full capital. Second is symbol, which asset do you want to trade? Trade this is your swing, scalp, intraday, whatever. Long or short. Entry, full price, you enter it. Lots of leverage. Lots is for forex trader or meta trade like this. Or if you leverage crypto, you have leverage there. So you can choose lots of leverage. Percentage of capital. How much money do you want to lose when you trade in one trade? Risk, reward, profit, lose, date of entry, date of exit, date of exit 2 if you have 2 TP or 2 stop loss, fee and picture.